In today's video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Pinterest. So first, open Pinterest app, then tap on search icon located at the bottom left of screen, enter name of person you're looking for, and hit search. Tap on filter icon at the top left of screen to refine your search results. Select profiles to search specifically for user profiles, and tap on view results to see filter profiles. Now scroll through a list of profiles that match your search. Once you find person you're looking for, tap on their profile, tap on follow to start following them, or you can unfollow them if you want to stop following them. Pinterest doesn't allow uploading contacts to find friends directly, so you will need to search manually or ask person to share their profile. If they send you their profile, such as their username, you can use it to find them easily. To share profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right, tap on share button at the top right of your profile page, and you can send your profile link via text, email, or social media, so your friends can find and follow you.